What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We're out here running in the snow, as you can see behind me. It's about 24 degrees, cold morning, but the sun's shining. We ain't gonna be out here long because I don't want to freeze to death. Y'all stay tuned. We'll see what kind of action we can have. Oh, hung on a brother. Oh, I need a briar-proof clothing sponsor. If anybody wants to sponsorship Solid Rock Outdoors with some briar-proof clothing, holler at me. Done the same thing last time we run him down here. But he goes up and goes in the dang hole. I bet you anything he goes in a hole in here. Guys, they get it back going, I'll come back on. That pup, son. Probably went through the fence or went, oh. There it goes. I seen it go right through them pines. There he goes. Trying to keep an eye on him, see where he went to. Sorry for the wind noise, guys. That's a smart rabbit. You seen where he went to, guys? We went right across the big old dirt road, so he get you picked back up. I'll come back on here for y'all. He ain't getting away from him. He's right on him. Clean. Yep, right on him. Go with him. He went across up there that dang rock pile. Go, Queen. Go, 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 go. Hee hee. Hard to smell them on these pine needles. Here you go, Queen. Now, I gotta get back through these dang trees. There it goes again! Dang, he's a running. See. Got down that water. Got in that dang water. You hit it right there. Get it. Ah, he's got in that water and give him the slick one. If they get him back going, I'll come back on, guys. Dang. He got down that water and gave him the slip. I can't find him now. I don't know what happened. Oh, maybe they got him back going. Let's see. I bet he went through the fence down there. There's a fence right here. See right there. I'd say he went through the dang fence. That sucks. He was running good too. Alright guys, we'll see if we can get him back going. If he can't, we'll see if we can't jump another. Stay tuned. They smell another one. Pup must have seen him. Dang, did y'all hear that pup? They must have run out over top of him. And they went the wrong way with it. Is what they done. Bound to what happened. What's his name? Running by himself. Oh, Queen made it to him. That's not him running, bulls. He's just 7 months old. Man, that pup's doing a nice job. Man, they burning that rabbit up, son. Probably some of the best running I've had in a long time. I love February and March running. Rabbits are rutting. They run big. Hey, dang. Heck yeah. This right here's what it's all about. Right there goes the rabbit. He get across the road right here. Be right quiet. We can see him. I heard he crossed the road. He lost him or somewhere. Let's see if I can pick him back up. Man, it's one of the best days running I've had in a long time. I don't know if that snow on the ground that's got anything to do with it or not. But guys, if they can pick him back up, I'll come back on. I'll say they will though, unless he went in the hole over that timber. Stay tuned. Got him back going. Dang, he come across here. I never seen him, but he might have when I was looking the other way. Queens are driving him. wind's picking up now, guys. Whew. I think that went in the hole because they went down in there and shut off. And there they come back out with it and they come back to me. So usually when they do that, it means the rabbit's in the hole. There was a fence down in there, so it could have went through that fence or anything. That's probably one of the best races I've had in a long time. So we'll see if they can't get another jumped. If they can't, we're gonna load them up and get out of here. Wind's picking up. You can hear it in the background. It's cold, my hands are cold. If they can't get one jump, we're gonna load them up and get out. Y'all stay tuned. Get your collar off, come here. Oh. You guys want to end the video? Y'all subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about my channel. Guys, I'm trying to get better at this. Trying to learn how to shoot B-roll. Bought a new camera. Just trying to get better all around. My next step will be learn a good editing software. So that'll be it. Then the next step after that be to buy a drone. So I get some cool drone shots for you guys. Guys, I really do appreciate y'all's support. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.